How to make life with tinnitus more comfortable. It can be very annoying and hard to deal with tinnitus. Tinnitus can be extremely frustrating, and can even affect your mental status, if it is severe and untreated. Keep watching for useful insight on how to deal with this troubling affliction. If you suffer from frequent ringing in the ears, be sure to speak with your doctor about the medications that you are taking. Many people do not realize that a variety of different medications can cause tinnitus. If your medication is the cause, you may want to consider switching medications. During times that tinnitus is really bothering you, try creating some background noise by turning on a radio or a fan. This background noise will help take your mind off and cover the sounds of the tinnitus so it is not as loud. It's easy to become focused on your tinnitus and be bothered by it more when it's the only sound you can hear. Rub a small amount of Vicks VapoRub on your chest before bed. If your tinnitus is related to TMJ, sinus issues, or problems with the eustachian tube, then the ointment will help relieve your symptoms. The Vicks also has a calming effect for many people, which is an added bonus. When ringing starts making itself heard inside your ears, it's critical that you remain relaxed. It is usually not serious, and it may not really mean much at all. If it begins to dissipate by itself, you should see a doctor anyway just to put your mind at ease. Research the various natural remedies for tinnitus. There are many means that people were able to successfully treat tinnitus for centuries without the use of medication. Be sure to talk with your physician before trying something, as some herbs can interact with medication, and some of the options available may not be healthy for you. The information you have just read should prove invaluable in your fight to deal with tinnitus. Incorporate these suggestions into your daily routines for potential relief. Stay positive and you will increase your chances of finding a solution to your problem. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.